What do you think about Rishi Sunak's proposal for national service for 18-year-olds in the UK? There are some pros and some cons. First of all, there are pros: skills development, giving young people experience, social cohesion, helping people to get to work together from maybe different nationalities or cultural, ethnic backgrounds. And third of all, a sense of civic responsibility, that people are doing something towards making the country better and so on. So these are positive things on the face of it, right? But then what about the cons? Well, how much would it cost to put this into place? What are the logistics of actually doing it? Should it be a compulsory thing, or should it be something that is rewarded or recommended or suggested, or a pathway people can go down that actually makes it easier for them to progress in other areas later? Who gets to decide? Who gets to be a part of that program? I have my own opinions on that. I'd love to know what your opinions are. As a life coach, I love when people get the opportunity to grow, develop, and so on. But on the other side of it, I understand that people have to want to do that. So making it compulsory for someone to learn and to grow and to be civically responsible are still choices they have to make. What are your opinions about that? Leave comments in the chat and give me your thoughts.